To export your Rocket Money subscription management data, follow these steps. First, log into your Rocket Money account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the subscription management section where you can view all your active and inactive subscriptions. Next, click on the settings or options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol. From the drop-down menu, select the export option. This will prompt you to choose the format in which you want to export your data, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that is most convenient for you and select the subscriptions you want to export. You can choose to export all subscriptions or select specific ones. You will also be asked to choose the information you want to include in the export, such as subscription name, cost, and renewal date. After making your selections, click on the Export button to start the process. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the export is complete, you will receive a notification and your data will be saved to your computer or device. It is a good practice to export your subscription management data regularly to keep track of your expenses and stay on top of your finances. You can use the exported data to create budgets, track spending, and make informed decisions about your subscriptions. By following these steps, you can easily export your Rocket Money subscription management data and take control of your financial management.